Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Tamil movie Enemy. The movie Enemy has Vishal and Arya in the lead roles, and Enemy is a thrilling action drama. Now quickly, let me come to the plot of the movie Enemy. So Enemy is the story of two fathers and their two sons. So to understand the plot, let me take you to the childhood of Vishal and Arya. In the childhood, Vishal is a son of Thambi Ramaya. Vishal's father is a very caring and possessive father. He is not only possessive, he is protective. He doesn't like his son to take any risks. He wants him to focus on the academics, go to the school, school to home and home to school vicious cycle. And little Vishal feels that nothing interesting has been left out in his life. And now let's speak about the childhood of Arya. Arya's father is a cop and that role has been played by Prakash Raj. One day, little Arya with his father Prakash Raj comes to the neighborhood of Vishal. Now Prakash Raj is a totally different father in comparison to Vishal's father. Prakash Raj trains his son to become a cop. This includes physical training, mental training, emotional training, and training about all those knacks to become a skilled cop. Now little Vishal is attracted by the training procedures which Prakash Raj is following to train his son to make him a cop. Suddenly little Vishal finds a Dronacharya in Prakash Raj and he too wants to get the same training from Prakash Raj. Prakash Raj accepts little Vishal as his disciple and this irritates his Arjuna, that is his own son Arya. So seeds of jealousy and seeds of enmity slowly start developing in the mind of little Arya. This is because his own father starts giving too much of importance to little Vishal. On the other hand, Prakash Raj identifies a very good talent in little Vishal. He also tells his friend one day that little Vishal is better than his own son, little Arya. And little Arya overhears this. So the sprouts of jealousy, the sprouts of enmity starts getting slowly developing into a plant inside Arya's mind. And little Arya makes sure that he keeps that jealousy and enmity nurtured. So right from the beginning itself, little Vishal is seeing little Arya as a close friend, but little Arya is seeing little Vishal as an obstacle in his life, as his enemy. So after this, some strange events happen in their life and little Vishal and little Arya are separated following the death of Prakash Raj. Little Vishal's dad takes a oath, takes a promise that little Vishal is never going to become a police officer, nor he is going to enter into any adventure or misadventures, because he wants to bring up his son with low risk or no risk. In fact, he doesn't want his son to take any risk and lead a calm and pleasant life just like he is leading. And Vishal's father has his own reasons for nurturing his son in the way he is doing it. So years pass by and little Vishal and little Arya grow up into adults. Now Vishal with his father is running a departmental store in Singapore, while Arya has grown up to become a hardcore criminal and assassin. So we are shown that two disciples of Prakash Raj, one his own son and another Vishal, both have not become police officers as per dreams and ambitions of Prakash Raj. And both had their reasons and both had their strong reasons. And what are those reasons? Every bit of detail you are going to get when you watch the movie Enemy. So under some odd and horrible circumstances, Vishal and Arya meet up at Singapore. And then Arya's old enmity surfaces. Both Vishal and Arya challenge each other and a cat and mouse race begins. The race between Vishal and Arya is to prove the supremacy, is to prove the power, is to prove who is greater than whom. Vishal is not interested in this particular dangerous game, but Arya involves Vishal in a tricky way. So where does this enmity go? Who is going to win? Who is going to lose? Whether friendship will win over the enmity or would enmity conquer the friendship is the rest of the story of Enemy. Now let me come to the positivities of the movie Enemy. Vishal and Arya are the greater strengths of the movie. They have given good performance, if not the best performance. Vishal's role is lengthier in the movie, but Arya's role is not as lengthier and as meatier in comparison to that of Vishal. Arya is given with some negative shades in the movie and I cannot tell that he has balanced between those good and bad shades. But his role is decent in the movie, if not very good or the best. I think even in comparison between Vishal's and Arya's role, Vishal's role, as I already said, is lengthier and better than that of Arya. Even in terms of acting, I would tell that Vishal's acting is a little better than that of Arya. Though both are good actors, probably the length of the character or the length of the role probably had made a difference for me to judge the quality of their acting. Mrinalini, Ravi and Mamta Mohandas play the female leads in the movie and they don't have much to do in the movie. You can call that the heroines have made their guest appearances in the movie. Prakash Raj has a very teeny role and in that teeny role also he has done justice to his role. I should tell Thambi Ramaya's role as Vishal's father is good. So one more positivity of the movie is the action sequences. Couple of action sequences have been choreographed in a good way. Seeing the title of the movie as Enemy, I would have expected more thrilling moments and more action sequences in the movie. But the entire first half doesn't have any action sequences which you can appreciate. And even whatever action sequences are there in the movie, I should tell they are okay. They're not too good. They're not bad. Coming to the negativities of the movie, there are a lot of negativities to speak about this movie. After seeing the trailer, I had great expectations on this movie. As I already said in the positivities itself, I have just given a hint. The thrilling moments, the action sequences are very, very less. As I said, they are okay, but they are not really good. They are not bad as well, but they should have been better. So when you have Vishal, when you have Arya, when the title of your movie is Enemy, the viewers will be expecting high octane action drama. The fans will be expecting those visualing movements for those action sequences. So for me, the action sequences also come in positivities because they're okay, and the action sequences mainly come in the negativity because they don't carry the depth and strength. Keeping two action stars in the movie, the action lacks pace and heart in this movie. The next negative point is the narrative, the story narrative. Whatever has been shown in the trailer, we can find the magnified version of that particular story in Enemy and nothing more than that. I was expecting a better dimension of Enemy, a highly staged action drama with thrilling, intriguing moments. I should tell that I missed these elements in the movie. The title of the movie again is Enemy, and where is the enmity? The enmity has been shown in the second half. It has been slowly developed and nurtured in the first half, and we can't see Arya at all in most of the frames. We can only see the goodness of Vishal, and Vishal being a good Samaritan. He giving some of his dancing numbers, his brilliance, his intelligence, his goodness, everything has been shown. And in the second half, when Arya comes and the enmity is nurtured, and when the enmity surfaces, and when there is a competition of enmity and challenges thrown by Arya towards Vishal, and how he takes it and how they battle it out, these sequences are made in a hurry. The climax is yet another negative point for me. It looked like the climax has been stretched beyond its limit, just like a rubber band pulled to the level of its breakage. The climax was testing my patience, and I was just waiting for the movie to finish. There is a fight, there is a stunt right at the end where the two icons Vishal and Arya fight on the top of a building. Even that fight is not impressive because by the time you would be feeling, because the plot has been revealed and everything you know, you would just want them to finish off their war, finish off their fight and just end the movie. And the VFX and the special effects of the movie are not worth praising. The music is by S. Thaman and we miss the magic of the music in the movie. The background music is also very harsh at many points. The movie Enemy has a couple of morals to offer, like it shows the parenting skills and how certain things are imposed by parents on their children. Like anything is too dangerous. We saw Vishal's father is a very caring, possessive and protective father, and Vishal is denied of exploring certain beautiful moments in his life. He feels he has lost his independency. And on the other side, we can see Prakash Raj being very strict and dictating father to his son and dictating his dreams to his son. He was a cop and he wants his son to be a cop. So life is not all about copy paste and cut and paste. Everybody is born with a different destiny, beautiful dreams are there in their life, and parents especially should understand their children and allow them to nurture their dreams. That is what we see at the climax of the movie, where we can see Vishal giving his son the space, comfort zone and independency to grow. The movie also speaks about anger and anger episodes and how a person can understand the situations in a very wrong and odd way when he is haunted by the anger tantrums. The movie also addresses yet another sensitive topic. It showcases the troubles faced by the immigrants in a foreign country. So coming to my scoreboard of Enemy, I would give 5 out of 10 for Enemy. For me, the movie Enemy was a very average one-time watch. Much of the story is predictable, the first half is slowly paced, the second half is pacey, no doubt, but it is also jumpy at many places. And for me, Enemy is not a very satisfying experience. With Vishal and Arya, as I again say, I would have expected a much better movie than this. Finally, before finishing off my review of Enemy, I would just love to tell that if you are a fan of Vishal, if you are a fan of Arya, or if you love watching both their movies, you can watch Enemy. Undoubtedly, the movie has certain good elements, but for me, the negativities have dominated the positivities in this movie. From my perspective, it is a very average one-time watch. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.